Hi there, this is Mrs. J. Brothers, Title I reading teacher at Milton-Union Elementary School. I am one of two Title I reading teachers here in our school. The other teacher is Mrs. Carpenter. If you get a chance to come to my room, we will be working on reading strategies and skills. A little bit about me. I am a mother of 4 kids now. I have 3 boys, ages 13, 10, and 8, and I also have a baby girl now who is 5 months old. We are a very busy family, usually. We enjoy camping, watching our boys play baseball and hockey, and I love to read. I have been teaching here at Milton-Union for 17 years. 14 years have all been spent in the Title I reading position, but I have previously also taught kindergarten, 2nd grade, and 3rd grade here. My mother-in-law also teaches here, which is why I go by Mrs. J. Brothers so that you can tell us apart. If you come to my room, we will be working on, for the younger students, letter writing, recognizing letters, recognizing the sounds they make, and writing your name. If you are some of my older students, we will be working on recognizing patterns in words, sounding out words and decoding them, reading fluently, and understanding what you read. Some things about my room that may have changed are that I now have more desks in my room so that we can sit spread out more, which I will show you in a minute. Also, if you come to my room, we will not be waiting out in the hallway during the transition time when we're switching from one class to another. We are going to try to change the times a bit so that there is no wait time anymore before you enter my room. Also, if you come to my room, you may see me wearing a mask that looks more like this. Or you might get a chance to see me when we're working on phonics skills so that you can see my mouth better and hear me better wearing my face shield. Now I'm going to take a minute to show you around my room. Over here is where you will walk in. Right next to the doorway, you will notice I have hand sanitizer in the blue bottle. I also have a sink where we can wash with soap and water. So we can wash as you enter the room and wash our hands as you exit the room. I also have my reading table here, but less students will be sitting with me so that we can stay spaced out. I also have added desks to my room that I mentioned before that weren't here before. This will allow us more space in between each student. When you are in my room, I never have more than 5 students at a time, which is really nice that we can work in such a small group setting. On the back wall, you will see my bookshelves with books that I have for us to use throughout the school year. If we get to borrow books, I will be having a quarantine time for the books so that they do not go home with another individual until after a specific wait time. Over here, you will see my sand trays, and I have a shelf for folders, my desk, some pictures of my family, my blending board. For those of you that have been in here before, you see how I use that and we blend the letter sounds together. And then on this back wall, you will see information on how you can contact me. This is how you can reach me if you have any questions through email or through calling my phone line with the extension posted there. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you and see you guys here in person in the near future.